Hi, I'm Karl. Karl's TV and Appliances.
Karl started in 1956 and now brings its unmatched commitment of sales and service to 28 stores in 7 states in the upper Midwest.
I went to school in Chicago for advanced electronics, and then I went to work for a large company in Chicago. Decided I'd try to start a shop of my own in Gregory. Karl started in 1956. We started selling LG product a number of years ago and have had good success with it. It's been an excellent brand for us, and the company is reliable with us. They take care of us. One of the strong points about LG is the fact that they're innovative and they come up with new ideas in refrigeration and laundry. They seem to have an engineering staff that will handle any problems that should occur, and we work very well with them. So now, let's take a look at the new LG appliances.
Hi, I'm Randy Overton with LG Home Appliances. When you look at the array of products that LG Electronics manufactures, being a technology company, we're going to integrate that into all of our home appliances, not only to make them perform better and make them more efficient, but really more importantly, to make them easier, more convenient to use. We have probably one of the largest assortments of Wi-Fi enabled appliances that are available that allow you to connect to your smartphone. Laundry's always been a great popular category for LG home appliances. And one of the biggest benefits of immediately buying any LG high-efficiency washer, whether it's front load or a top load, is large capacity. With our large capacities and mega capacity washers, you're going to get more room so you can wash larger loads of clothes and do fewer of them throughout the week. We've now brought out a brand new turbo wash system in our front load laundry. Now we use 5 spray jets instead of 3 on our older system. By having more spray jets, it surrounds the clothes and helps the detergent penetrate faster and deeper into fabrics, so you get a better cleaning and a time savings overall. So now that I've shown you how I can save you time in your laundry room with LG appliances, let's take a look at the kitchen and find out what great innovations can make life easier there too. Here we are at Karl's in this beautiful LG kitchen. And innovation in the kitchen is available to make life a lot easier, especially when you're cooking that delicious meal for your family. Some of the latest innovations is all about our InstaView door-and-door refrigerator. We know the refrigerator is an extremely busy appliance in your home, where our door-and-door refrigerators offer you this special compartment that gives you easy access. That way your family members can get in and get out quickly, and that helps keep more of that cold air inside, which keeps your food fresher longer.
LG cooktops combine incredible cooking performance with a modern design to create the perfect blend of form and function.
When it comes to using the cooktop, LG's Ultra Heat, burners, and elements will help that pot come to boil faster. Then when you need to clean up the oven, our Easy Clean enamel makes it easy. It's a special enamel where you just use water and low heat to do a quick cleaning.
LG's sleek, powerful dishwashers have innovative technology and style, so you get faster cleaning and a look you'll love.
The final step in any process of cooking a delicious meal is cleaning the dishes. And LG Quad Wash dishwashers are designed to give you that spotless clean the first time. Our premium models have True Steam, which will enable you to reduce the need to pre-wash your dishes. Karl's and LG have been working together for many years now, and I'm confident that you'll be saying life's good with the sales and service that only Karl's can deliver.
Well, I think if you come in, the first thing you'll find out that salespeople are trained to help the customer pick out what's best for their home life, and then go from there. I want them to remember that it's Karl's, your servicing dealer, since 1956. And that's what we are. We're an appliance store that still provides service. They're welcome to go on the website, on Karl's online, and take a look at the different products and what we have, and learn a little bit about Karl's before coming in. And if they don't, tell them to come on in, and we're going to show them what we have here in the show place.